Hello, here's Mel Janka again with Jenna 3, the channel where you restore your body, rebuild your mind, and renew your spirit. Today, we will be doing day 8 of your 21-day challenge. Today, we're going to do chest, okay? So we mainly are going to be on the floor. So make sure you have your mat ready after the warm-up because we're going to go straight to it, all right? So let's start the music and get the warm-up going. As you know, we have 3 songs. This is a series for those of you who are struggling with exercise. Okay? Let's get it done. We want to make sure that we feel that music because the warm-up is just about moving, getting the body ready for the workout. In this case, the chest. So open right there. Open. Good. Right away. Moving feet. Moving arms. Get the whole body ready. Yes? Good. We're going to cross the arms. Cross. Lovely. We're going to do 8 more. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5. Get ready, we're gonna change. Go back to the beginning, yes? This time, try bending your knees a little bit more to protect your knees and your ankles. You're gonna leave that heel. Make sense? Yes. All right. Let's open front and back. Front and back. Good job. 4 more. Nice. Okay, hold it here. Circle those arms. Bend your knees. Yes, we have done this before. You already have it. Yes. You have the movement down. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Let's go. Going back to the beginning, yes? Getting those pectorals ready for the warm-up and the workout. Good job. We're gonna cross the arms down. Good. We're gonna bring them up. Like a big X. Going back to down and diagonal. Going back up. And 4, and 3, and 2. Now let's leave those legs. Just because the legs help to warm up the whole body faster. Yes? 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Back to the beginning. This time slower. Good. And going forward. Beautiful. A little bit low. Yes. Nice job. Enough weight. But just in case, start light. Remember, you're just testing your body, right? With these 21 days. Okay, dear friends. Hands right over the shoulders, wrist neutral. We're going to open into an A press. Okay? It's like a shape of an A. Down, down, up, up. You touch those places at the tip. Right here. Yeah? Tip of the A. Good. Let's go. 3 and 1 tempo. Slow down. Quick. Up. Down, 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 and up. You know I'm a music beast, so I'm already moving those feet. Okay, get ready? Singles, down, up. Now listen to me, you got to squeeze your abdominals to isolate those pectorals. Yep, right there. Good. 2 and 2, beginning. Down, down, up. Now giving 2 singles. Again, 2 and 2. Give me 2 singles. Nice job. Now, look at me. We're going to do flies. You're going to stay on the floor, and this is what we're doing, okay? Elbows are soft. And you're gonna open fully. Down, down, up, and up. Yep. Good. I hope that you can see the whole movement. Yep. Super slow. Oh, these are hard. Now, resist at the bottom. Squeeze your abdominals. Come up. Do it again. Take it down. Bring it up. Yeah. Singles. Down, up, down, up. Good job. Try to keep your chin close to your chest. Keep it moving. If you're light, you should be able to do this without any issues. We want to feel where in the body the exercise is coming from. Come on. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Give me 2 and 2. Down, down, up, and up. Down, down, up, and up. 2 more, everybody. 1 more. Slow now. Super, super slow. Super slow up. Yes. Awesome. That was it. That wasn't too difficult. What do you think? The next time we do chest, I'm going to do push-ups for you so you truly feel it. Okay, friends, we're going into the stretch portion of the class. Pretty easy class today. So, because we did chest, we're supposed to stretch those muscles. And I'm going to start by standing up. We might be on the floor, yes, but we can begin at the right here in the center. So first thing is simple, right? Feet on their hips, open your chest, thumbs up. Good. Now, clasp your hands behind your back. You're gonna push your knuckles down and bring your shoulders back and open big. Hold it right there. To intensify this stretch, we can go forward and then lift the knuckles up. You know, up towards the ceiling. Can you feel it? Maybe on your shoulders too? I tend to have tight shoulders, so this helps so much. Good. Hold it right there. And then super slowly start coming up. Super, super slowly coming up. You're gonna feel your numb hands. That's normal. Okay, now, another way to stretch is by going to the floor and opening one hand out. We have done this one for biceps and triceps too, but this time we want to focus on the chest. So the way that we do is we go really, really wide, and then we go low, and then we twist until you feel the stretch. I hope you're feeling it. Breathe in and breathe out. Stay there for a few more seconds. You can change the head position to feel the different stretches. Then change it to the other side, open wide. Drop first to the front. Breathe in, breathe out. And then twist. Hold it right there, hold. Remember to breathe and relax. Good job. So another exercise for your chest is going to be your upper extension. So going all the way up and then dropping. You can do both hands actually. And then keep lifting your chin so you can feel it right there. Breathe. Great job. Stay there for a few seconds. Remember, flexibility comes with holding the pose for a little bit, right? Push yourself up. And then gently go into a kind of an up dog, but just modify up dog. You're touching the floor with your hips and your thighs. Actually, with your thighs. Good. So back and forward. simple back extensions that are also helping you to bring the chest up. Make sense? And then up. Good. Awesome. As we stretch your arms in general, right? Bicep, triceps, all of that. You're also stretching chest muscles because they're all connected. Good. Nice job. One more time. Let's do the clasping of the hands. This time to the back. And hold it right there for a few seconds. Inhale, exhale, and release. That was it for today's class, chest muscles. So remember, we have 21 days and it's as simple as doing one small class of cardio, strength, and flexibility a day to see how your body reacts, which one you like the most, and how can you include exercise in your routine. Take care. See you in the next one. Bye.